Features of Model Y. There is no cold air when the air conditioner is turned on, or there is a buzzing sound when the air conditioner is turned on and off. It is no wonder that the air conditioner is broken. This is all because you don't clean the 3-water slurry inside frequently. Especially the 30% of bad human hair is blocked. The air conditioner will definitely break down easily. Dismantle the heat pump assembly. After dismantling the heat pump, viewers must clean it carefully because there are a lot of impurities inside. Disassemble and clean the 8-way valve of the aluminum air pipe, and use ultrasonic waves to clean the impurities in the aluminum pipe of the heat pump. Restore the hot stream system. Remove the compressor rear end rod. This moving wheel is all broken. Clean and repair compressor. Replace the screw with a new one to rotate the compressor properly. Put the heat dream back and install the compressor. After installing the Tesla Heat Dream, add 4 bottles of cold coal. Tesla Heat Dream has been repaired. Remember to make the Heat Dream air conditioner last longer. Be sure to clean the 3 water tanks every 2 or 3 kilometers. Follow along out to let you know more about electric cars.